trading, you heard me. One missed call on my telephone. One missed call on my telephone. One missed call on my telephone. Nobody don't care till I get on my zone. Nobody don't care till I get in my zone. It's time to level up, cause a nigga is grown. It's time on my telephone. It's time on my telephone. It's cool right now till I get in my zone. So you already know what it's about, man. Time to get on the fucking charts, you heard me? My phone used to buzz. I used to have bitches. And I don't have shit. Past life. But we have a new life coming up. Shout out to my past life, man. My plan. Man, I should have took advantage of it. You heard me? It's cool. Get this shit set up. I can't get mad. It's cool. You learning something new and legit school. You feel me? So I can't even get mad. But shout out to my past life. We're gonna get back right. And this time it's gonna be the right way. Legit school way. You feel me? It's cool. I just check my phone. I had one missed call. Just check my telephone. Had one missed call. One missed call on my telephone. One missed call on my telephone.
You'll still get some upside on the NASDAQ side.
Time to get it back when I get in my zone.
Uncertainty is, we kind of remove uncertainty from the market.
It's cool.
What is the difference between a statement balance and a current
We'll
balance?
be back. I was on my scamming shit back in the day, finessing. You feel me? Like I said, I lived a nice life. I ain't gonna front. But that life over with, dead. That's what they'll say.
For starters, the question
You don't really die in this lifetime, yo. You don't really die and come back. You don't live multiple lives. The same life you live back in 8th grade, 7th grade, high school, elementary, all them shit dead. All the shit that die, you don't come back to life in this lifetime. Just imagine when you're dead.
Charge more than 30%
you come back again.
Credit limit. So if I have a $10,000
you die a lot.
Well, if I have a credit card with a $10,000 limit,
I learned that from this one real.
The
niggas say we don't die a lot, and we don't even know. Because 5 years ago, you're not the same. You don't change. So that person that you was 5 years ago passed away, died. Metaphorically. Let's get on this shit. Alright, we on my. Yo, I fuck with the Euro Huff. That's Euro Honduran dollars or whatever money it is. I fuck with that. But to jump on it right now. I have it on my favorite.
But the statement balance is an actual date that you want to try to pay that down prior to.
I'm sure on my phone, that's a nice downward channel. I could already see.
The credit bureaus to maintain a good credit score. But really quickly,
let's get in front of the TV. The Yahoo Finance News. And then we on scroll on one. The Bloomberg original. That's on commercial. Oh shit, I wasn't even paying attention to my shit. Double up if you lose.
What we like to see is a gradually higher 10-year GGB yield for the banks. But of course,
double
what we're
up.
talking
Bow.
about with potential communication.
We still on the downward channel, so we gonna come through.
That upside, the downside.
Do you see that risk with the
Gonna
upcoming
shit,
BOD
yeah, we
policy
gonna come
decision,
through.
more volatility in the JGB space?
Why? Cause over here on the high time frame, we still got shoot down, so we coming down.
It's more of a longer term development. July BOJ,
Bow.
we
Stop
simply
playing around.
expect confirmation.
Stop playing around. One phone call, I'ma tell her phone. It's cool.
Japan financials and fintech sector analyst.
It's cool. We're gonna get back in zone.
Breaking news at the moment, we are getting the PPI services number for
It's
Japan,
coolie.
growth of 3.2% for the month.
Let me get my other chat. You saw that shit turn off when I get to it?
Coming in above
Stop playing.
economists' estimates. Also, of
We
course,
should move
follows
on.
the
Fuck
core
it.
CPI numbers that we got last week. For
Moving
example,
on.
for the month of June, first acceleration in 3 months.
I love this pair. Why? Because it'll move so fast.
For now,
Look away. Moving. So you could catch in. Hold up. You blurry.
3.2% growth for the month of June.
Trying to see tonight if we gonna check on this here. Look.
40 a.m. if you're watching in Tokyo.
I love this pair, bro. Just look at the number. Shit moving. 6, 7, 5. That's a nice pair to be in. But we moving on though. Let's move on. Start from up, come down. Up, come down. I gotta do something about my life. I'll be fucking waiting around for no 9 to 5. Fuck that. Niggas control your whole shit, your whole system. Fuck that. We pushing up, man. Fuck that. We pushing up. Time to get this shit cracking, man. Whoever try and be entrepreneurs, time to get that shit cracking. Fuck that. The right president is in, even though walking even out for real, but he teaching you a valuable lesson. I'm a Gemini just like this nigga. I already know the fuck he teaching. He teaching you to be independent in life. You feel me? Don't be waiting for nobody, nothing, don't be doing none of that. You go out there and go get it. Fuck that. I just had a job. Them niggas fired me because points. Fuck that. When I was a fucking scamming and doing my finessing shit, nigga, I wasn't worrying about no fucking points. Now I into a 9 to 5 wall, I gotta be worrying about points and shit. Man, I already do 2 fucking jobs already. One, I wake up late and get fired for that fuck. The other one, points. All this bullshit. When I was an entrepreneur out there, even though I was doing it the wrong way, man, I was free. And I understand that part of entrepreneurism. You feel me? You'll be free. Fuck that. I ain't trapping this bullshit. Some bullshit. What's going on here? So basically what you could do is you already know the shit's coming from oversold, so you know it coming from oversold. You look at the higher time frame, the shit coming from oversold. So what you could really do is just wait for it to go up. You don't have to look for a trade. You could just see, like I said, go up. You wait for that confirmation. And this is a little range that is really working from. So it catching anybody. Buyers, sellers from this little consolidation right there, catching everybody. But you know it came from oversold, and this is coming from oversold. You might as well just wait for it to break to the upside. You feel me? If not, you could follow the trend. We still in oversold territory, so that means we could still drag down. That's what I really mean. That's why you don't really want to be getting into none of this shit right there, because it could drag down, it gonna go up, drag down. You just wait for the motherfucking cross. Point blank period.
Certainly hawkish commentary in light of the recent inflation flare-up.
with the re-escalation of the war in Iran. But at the moment, we are starting
What
to
the
see
fuck?
some of that
One
optimism
phone
just coming
call, man.
through with a couple of nights of
I remember I used to have whole lots of phone calls back in the day, boy. Shit real. But I had one phone call today. Look at it, say cross this high right there. So that mean it could continue going up. You coming out of over soul territory. This already flocking up. Look at that. You could go in.
Central bank decision on tap as well. Much opens in Sydney.
We could go in.
Next. This is Bloomberg.
Nope. You can't go in no. See that? Flock fucking dumb. Why I tell you?
Defined outcome ETFs deliver an innovative new approach.
Catch one red over here, so fuck it. Same shit over here. We catch one red, so we gonna go down on that red right there, that red. Wow. That don't mean it can't come back up and retest this support, which is our resistance right now. And that's what's going on, because once it cross, it'll come back and retest, you feel me? But like I say, we're dealing with time. We're dealing with candlesticks, so it don't really matter. We're gonna catch a candlestick. We cross down, so we're gonna get a little push down a little bit. And if you cross it slow, we going down for real. Double it up. If anything happen, we win. We're gonna go down some more because we're doing a lot of bearish movements, you feel me? It could be the finish of it though. Alright, there we go, a little push. Wow, so that means it's over with. That means that shit over with. Even though it went equal, yeah, it went equal with this low right there, so it ain't really do nothing about this, and this chart. We cross like a motherfucker. We gonna go down some more. Go down some more, man. Stop playing around. Time to get serious about your life. Your boy 34. Shit fucked up. Been told my pops I was gonna be a millionaire when I was 25. I've been fucking playing all my life. No more of that. No more of that. I was putting my focus in the wrong things for years. No more of that. I gotta motivate my motherfucking self. Because I understand this shit and I don't know why it's taking me long. Let's move on, man. That's an up trade right there. Let's hurry up.
So I see an interesting password.
Let's hurry up.
Credit card information. Don't take digital security for granted.
Shit popping up a little bit, so we're looking for up trade. And once it crosses there, right there, we good. We're already reaching up to the overbought territory. Once it crowd, there we go. No. Nope, we'll be back down. It went equal highs with that is, so we okay now we could go in. Because it crossed over here, you see?
Major market opens as we're watching given that the US has now paused strikes on Iran.
And it ain't hit over, so it overbought yet. This ain't even reach up to the overbought yet. It came right back down.
Yeah, the central banks are in a tough place at the moment.
Let's get it. No more time to be playing around. You know how much money I had, I could have been invested in this shit. Never did. Believe a nigga come up to me with some bullshit, I'm investing my money on the bullshit.
Just how transitory are these inflationary pressures going to be?
Switch that, switch this. About to start going up soon.
Right now is for no change after that 25 basis point increase in June, but
Hurry
we're
up
following
so
the
we could
Japanese
catch it.
yen very closely because it's been
Alright, we
so
nearly
weak.
catch it
That
once it
40-year
crosses
low
this
against
head.
the
Boom,
US
we
dollar,
going
one
up.
point headed towards a 160 level,
Ain't crossed yet.
164 level against the greenback, which could potentially apply
It
some
really
extra
went
pressure for the
equal
Bank of
highs with
Japan
this
to
right
move
there.
at a
So
time when we've also seen CPI
we ain't
accelerating for the month of June. That was data last
oversold
week. We're going to be
territory, so
following
soon they're
total
gonna
CPI
start popping
this
out. So
week
you might
pretty
as well
closely
just
as
wait
well.
for
And
it
we're
to
seeing
pop
the
out.
Japanese stock market right now
It might
with
continue
some
going
gains. The
down.
Nikkei up 0.8 of
You reach the
1%. The
over
tech sector is
you
something
reach
that we're watching
overbought
very
over here, so
closely,
they
of
say
course.
gotta reach
We're going to get
overbought
big tech
and they're giving
earnings.
you
We're
the
going to be watching the AI
confirmation
supply chain here in Asia, but of course, most importantly, when it comes to South Korea,
right
given
now.
that we have had those
Wow,
mega deals involving
we in
Samsung, SK Hynix with
and we
Nvidia. We're also
winning.
following
We reached
Naver and Nvidia's
the
investment in that
overbought.
company as well. So take a
You
look
gotta
at
reach
our
overbought right here,
moving
so
Kospi up
we coming out to
1.5%, a
oversold
little bit. I
to
cannot
reach
call
up
it
to the
strength, maybe like
overbought.
unchanged 1458
I've been
against the
doing this
Korean won, but
repeatedly
it's
over
surprising.
and
We've seen a
fucking
little bit
over,
of
so
strength
I ain't
for the
even scared
Korean
no
won.
more.
We
I
had
already know I gonna
they
win.
were really weakened to
I already know
decade
I'm
lows against the
with the
greenback,
trend
and
right
a lot
now.
to
You
do
feel me?
with potentially that
Even though
speculation
if
of
it go
withdrawals
against
to
I and
come,
I,
especially when it comes to these AI investments. We know that Samsung has another deal with
I'm really
Broadcom.
a,
We're going to be watching
now I ain't gonna
earnings
say
of
really, but I don't
Samsung and
trade
SK Hynix
forex, so I
this week
understand
as well. But Hynix, of
retracements
course, is
and
really the central bank
all
paying
that
the
bullshit.
replacement
That's
for
all
money
this
as
is.
well.
That don't mean I'm wrong
Yeah,
with
yeah,
my
of course, we are
direction. You
factoring
feel
when
me?
it comes to Singapore, right?
You
Not a
dig
share
me?
policy.
So you gotta
Fourth
understand that
authority
with
of Singapore
binary
raising the
options.
strength
Like,
of
don't be
the
getting
Singapore
scared.
dollar
If
back,
you
keeping the
write
weak
about the
MFA
direction,
in check. So there are
don't get
some
scared, cause
issues when
all
it
this is
comes
just
to
drawbacks,
what we
just like
see with more
forex.
subdued
And
inflation.
everybody to
What
go
about
through
the
that.
this
So don't get
FX
scared.
mentioned said it was
That's
unchanged,
all the
but there is no
binary
potential
reaction
impact
niggas
from
is really
reserves when it
scaring
comes
niggas
to
are
oil
making
prices
money.
and
Cause
that
once you get scared and
inflationary pressure.
lose,
Certainly
guess
today,
what gonna
economists
happen?
expecting
You gonna move
another
on to our
upward
next one
revision
and lose
rise.
again,
We
or
have
you gonna
seen
put in
further
another
commentary from
position and
analysts
then
when it
lose
comes to
again
grow at a
because you
very good
scared.
clip. They're
The
expecting
whole time when it all said and done, the first trade you do, and then when it all said and done, and they all make it made its own play. And when you look at what happened in what happened throughout that whole mental shit that you was going through, it was going your way the first time. The first time you traded, it went your way. But you just been going off of the mental shit. Damn, it ain't going up, it going down. Let me go. Damn, it ain't going down, it going up. Damn, it ain't going up, it going down. And then you just fucking up. That's why the binary option people love. The market brokers, they love that type of shit. You feel me? And then when they all said and done, you do all of it, the whole time it been traveling the direction you first place you trade in, if you understand what I'm saying. If your first trade was an up trade and then it didn't go up, you motherfucking go down, you go up, and then the whole time it been traveling up the whole time. You go in doing all that bullshit, and then once you all fucking mad and upset and be like, man, I'm done. You look at the shit, man, and it really went up. Like it really went up. Just imagine it went up. The shit really it going up now. You feel me? So like I say, my first trade was up. It did all that bullshit. I still was going up. You feel me? Because I know about retracements and all that bullshit. If you traded forex, you should know. You know what I mean? Ain't everything I with sniper. Ain't everything sniper. You feel me? The only thing should be sniper is a direction. That's the only thing should be sniper. Cause once you get a direction, man, you great. It's that flocking up right now, so the direction is going up. But I'm gonna leave this there, and you gotta be like confirming that the direction is what it is. So red mean that brownish orange color. That's what red is. The blue is green. You feel me? So it already telling me on the higher time frame that it's going up. All these already hit the up. Now this I gotta go up. So now you gotta wait till I cross or engulf, and that's the confirmation of it being up. You feel me? But like I said, the whole time I would have still been winning if I just say keep going up. I would have catch one of these candles. See, niggas ain't teaching you none of that about that. You feel me? They was teaching about do the support resistance, and they ain't really breaking it down in like mechanics. You gonna catch one of these candles. Don't leave these niggas fool you out there talking about sniper entries and one shot dealo. You feel me? Got it for the experts. Niggas ain't experts right now. You feel me? There go the cross, but I gonna leave it cross above, and once it cross, I going up. This already fucking hit top, so I probably late for real. Come down a little bit. Let me go in. Fuck it, cause I don't want to lose my position. You see, if I wait, shit would I shoot up and I lose in my position for real. But they going up. Everything. I could have got in late, but it crossed a lot of levels. It crossed this whole level right there. You know what I mean? So we could push up a little bit more. You might want to come up to this level right there. The first level, like you see, don't think it might come up to this because we're going off for candles and time. You feel me? It might come up to this. Then once it make a decision about this point, it gonna come up to this point. Once it make a decision with this point, it gonna go up to this point. If not, it gonna flock right back down. But we have a whole lot of room over here to be playing around, so it might go up to this side. It's a higher time frame, so it might come up to this giant. You don't see no blues in between that, so it's gonna come up to this. It's gonna stretch all the way till they come up to this point right there. Still stretching. Whole time you'd have been going through a lot of mental shit all here. And like I said, look, I predicted that whole shit. Like I said, you would have get in here with a buy, lose, and then you'd have been like, damn, it going down. And then you'd have been like, damn, it ain't going down no more, it going up. And then, you know what I mean? When the whole time you could have just keep pressing up. Every time you lose, that's why I have it 2, 4, 8. Because if I lose, I'm gonna keep pressing up because the pressure is to go up. Now we are paying the overbought territory. We're gonna see if it's gonna stop right there and then do a little retracement, or we're gonna break through this bullshit and continue going up. But we moving on though. Look at that. That's flocking up. One of them type of joints, we going fast.
Let's talk a little bit about those big players because we are actually seeing some investors rotating out of South Korea and Taiwan, for example, in order to get to those Chinese internet stocks, even Southeast Asian equities. Do you see a reason, a feasible reason why this is happening?
We're already in the overbought territory. This was a risky trade. Usually the gate from down here, but we already hit the tizza. So this might be a little war we might go through. Usually you're supposed to go through it from the beginning, which is from like around this area right there. You gotta get in, and I won that. Wow.
From the market side, there's a bit of fallout from the leverage ETF story.
And once you keep pushing up, that means it's gonna give you time to actually win. Because I you know what the market gonna do. So everything is like an algorithm. Every position counts. Every decision counts. So if you press one up, if it show you that it cross some a resistance, just know you're gonna continue. And then you know it gonna try continue push up, or it's gonna let you know that you're gonna have a chance to win. You feel me? No matter. Because I already gave you the confirmation. Look, I lost that, and what's going on? It giving me a chance to win. Why? Because I got in on a high probability. The high probability was it crossed this high. So now we got like, it's like a law. It's a law. You gotta respect that.
Mixed picture when it comes to the broader Asian markets, Heidi, early in the session.
Yeah, particularly when it comes to these AI adjacent maker names, right? It is that kind of idea. I was seeing more of that rotation, just a little bit less conviction, but certainly there's a couple of cross currents of news that we're watching. That Wall Street Journal report that Nvidia is in talks with OpenAI to guarantee a significant financing deal to $50 billion.
I'll use this
at the moment. That really kind of adds to the broader theme of
just to let me know
that this sector is going to
how to see what's going on better. You feel me?
Massive amount of capex that's being dedicated and plunged in.
You see, this is still pushing up. So I mean, they want to push up to this high. Told you. I already told you that, man. I know what's going on. I understand my charting. You feel me? If you go back, I've been practicing this shit since 2024. this type of charting. So now I know what's going on. 2 years later, 2 years of trading from 2024. I've been using these fucking charts. I got out of jail and prepared these charts and I perfect it, tweak it, and now I understand what the fuck going on.
This is the golden ages for Korea, as you know. Their semiconductor businesses.
Does that look like it crashing?
Industrial business is booming. This is a country that has the ability to help the world build out AI infrastructure, but they're incredibly
crashing low school. So when we gonna wait for a crash. That's it right there.
They love using AI.
If it crash,
has really diffused
up.
their society and their industry, and so this is a great time for them. We're announcing several things. We announced a big partnership with
beautiful.
Group.
Come on, man! I know what the fuck going on. I produced this chart. I made this chart.
We do over $500 billion of business with each other.
That's a beautiful trade. I wish I got in around this area.
Selling AI supercomputers to them as they scale out 2 gigawatts of AI factories. There's a whole bunch of other announcements.
Been a little more beautiful, but it's a beautiful trade. When that we crashed down a little bit more, even though it looked like we ain't crashed, it looked doubled up. We're gonna still go up again. I mean, go down again. You might want to go down to these lows right here. This low right here, equal to this right there. That's where we might want to go on. We going through the cloud. So we pushing on some more, like I said. Like the fuck I said. Oh man, they want to show me out. Everything is a law though. Shit got respect. Once you get into the right position, the market, all this trading shit got respect the laws of what's going on. You feel me? You follow the trend and then you go in at the right moment. The candles gotta respect it. I mean, they gotta respect, so it might hold off just to make you win because you went in at the right time. You went in at a time that it calculates to be that it going with the trend. So shit look like it going on, but we just hit oversold, so we might go down even some more. We about to cry. If you cross this slow right there, this is the law. This is the law of trading. So even if they try to manipulate the shit, they can't even do it because it's a law now. They gotta respect the law. You saw it cross this low. If it wick back up, I fucked up, but it didn't. So it crossed that low now. You gotta respect that. I have to win. I gotta win. I'm telling you, I've been doing this for too long, for 2 years straight. It gotta go. And I ain't tell you gotta go down to this low, and it did. Come on, man. I know what the fuck I doing. Y'all witnessing greatness. Me in the beginning stages, just like you, a newbie. Fuck it, but I'm trading like I know what the fuck going on. Cause I've been trading for 10, 12 years. And I ain't make shit yet. And now I'm feeling the pressure. Now it's time. I gotta start making money. Cause niggas like Jay Pelly. I don't know if you know him, but he a nice trader. He started marketing. He started with me, a marketer. You feel me? I started with everything, marketing, trading. So when they was doing marketing, I knew about trading. I know a lot about a whole lot of different shit too, about the internet, because that's when I started. But I was in this marketing thing called Wake Up Now with this nigga named Jay Pelly. And then he became big in the marketing shit. Man, that wasn't my space. I didn't really like the marketing shit. So I was like, fuck it. And I tested all that hustle, did this, but then after a while, throughout years, I see this nigga Pelly start recruiting trading niggas and traders and shit, jumping into trading and shit. And this probably was like 2019, 17, I don't know, 2017, I was out of college, so it was like 2017, 18, 19, the niggas start converting to fucking trading. And we in 2026. This motherfucker is a big time trader. I'm like, yo, I started trading and I was in the marketing thing with this nigga. No lie, he used to be on my Instagram saying we gonna trade one day. No fucking lie. I'm like, damn, because I was like the only nigga pushing binary options back in them days, and a nigga just came across my shit. He followed me because we follow each another, and then he came across my shit, see me trading. He was like, "Yeah, man, we gonna trade." But this nigga is a big time trader right now. I can't believe it. I'm still on this shit. I still ain't living a trader's life. That's crazy. Enough is enough. I just had to like figure out what my life really need. Around me, people want 9 to 5, 9 to 5, 9. Man, I'm trying this 9 to 5 bullshit. It's not working out. I'm a hustler, entrepreneur. That's what God want me to be. That's why all them 9 to 5 shit is not working out. Don't think you fucked up or something wrong with you because 9 to 5 ain't working out. It's because God want a bigger plan for you. I'm over there fucking on my kneecaps and trying to make rate to make these niggas become rich. And I'd rather put that energy in this shit. The fuck? Hell nah. You see, I'm already on the bottom, you feel me? So I don't know, it might start moving up. But who knows? We still in embarrassed territory right now. So we're gonna see what's going on. We ain't break out of this line yet. That's why I'm still pressing low. But you wouldn't want to go in there when everything already hit that gutter, you feel me? But even if they're in that gutter, that don't mean they're gonna continue being in the gutter. That's why you gotta watch the candlesticks and how they operate. Cause then the law is with you and these niggas can't really fuck with you. But if you out of the law and saying, I don't know, they're gonna fuck around with you with your position and make it hard for you to win. And then you gotta go to algorithm mode. And when algorithm mode you need big money and martingale and shit like that. We coming out over sold, reaching to the overbought. That's where it starts, the lower time frame. Then this is gonna start coming out too on the low ski, and then this gonna start popping out. Once they start popping out, it's time to go. It's already look like it start popping out. You give me the confirmation right there, it crosses. So we're gonna go up. We with the law, so they can't even really fuck with me. Lower time frame, hit the top. This just now hitting the top. And what you think this guy do? Push up to hit the top too. So it's gonna give you a lot of chance to even win. You dig me? So these niggas can't fuck with me. They gotta let me win. No matter if I lose the first time and they gonna think I'm done, nah, nigga, I'm coming back. Just like they said, coming right back. You saw they push up because they know. They're like, damn, this nigga about to get a nice price. Damn right. Then if I lose again, I'm doubling up again. That's why I have the third one right there, so I could double up again. Fuck around these niggas. They want me to get scared and think ain't gonna go up. Double up again right there. Or they want me to feel. They want me to feel like I should give up. But I ain't giving up. We in there.
Yeah, I mean, look, I suspect that's a bridge too far because, 4 deaths was...
Yo, bro, ain't nobody said this was a real account, brother. You dig me? I did it. I know what I doing. I'm studying and trading to become great. I ain't never said this was a real account. Never in my life. I'm trying to become great. That's what I'm doing, and I'm showing you that I'm trying to become great. But soon they're gonna become real money. That's all I'm trying to show you. I'm trying to become great, brother. It's that flocking down.
That might be an option, but yeah, it does look like a bit of a strategic dead end at the moment.
One dot. Because it's like once it hit 50%,
Totally. I mean, look, their entire,
it'll always want to
success is built on
retrace
stability
and try and
of being islands, in this sort of area where there's a lot of money.
retrace a little bit, and then it'll go to the 100.
Having missiles or having drones coming in, etc.
This I gotta go to the top.
Move there all out through the Gulf. I mean, it totally unsettles what the business case for their nations in a way, and then you've got divisions among them about what to do. Someone who's been more assertive with Iran, then you've got someone like Oman who wants to negotiate with Iran. I mean, it's really, really messy at the moment.
You're fucking up my life, posting all that bullshit. I never said this I was a motherfucking real account. When you see me trading, I'm trying to study. That's what I'm trying to do. I never say this was a real account. I don't fake and tell people bullshit. No, nigga. When you see me on this bitch, in this time, right now, what going on now in my life, we studying. And I've been doing this shit for 2 years now. And shit diabolical, you feel me?
The Emirate is tackling this rapid growth with a raft of mega projects. It's all funded by
Life just be fucking you up. That's how it be going on. I can't even get a job for real. I'm on probation, and every time I fill out the app, the shit declining my shit. The only reason I get them 2 jobs is because I had to do something to get it. Like I said, I'm a finesser, so I find a way to get it, but I can't get a job. Them niggas flogging my shit. Let me do some bad man thing. That shit coming easy. Let me do some bullshit. That shit gonna come easy. So I'm fighting myself. I really don't want to start my trading business with some illegal money and all that bullshit. I really don't want to do that. I want this to be really for my job, a 9 to 5.
Good night, Dan. I've never been more hopeful about the advances.
I'm fighting my demons for real. Like, you want me to? Told you. Come over here. But instead of going over here, I go on my motherfucking computer and start trading. Cause I ain't about to be falling for that nigga. Demon ass nigga. Demon spirit.
Celebrating 30 years of all that makes Broadway.
No way. I'm trying to become great. Live life. I don't want to fuck my life up.
A leader of India's youth protest movement is promising further action after forcing the resignation of the education.
I think this is time we done, man. It's the boy Cellio trading. Cellio trading. We out.
How big of a political risk is this for the Prime Minister?